What's up, guys? This is my boy P, like Paulie.
What's up, yo?
And I'm your boy G here at GD Motovlogs. Look at these two badass bikes over here. We're gonna take both out for a ride. Right here we got Paulie's Darkhorse, the blacked out version. And right here we got mine, which is the white smoke, as you can tell. Paulie has a nice stage 1 on his bike, which I'm gonna get. And look at these guys, powder coated, stock, OEM adjustable levers. By the way, if you haven't seen that, oh yeah, he's pointing out his nice logo and that nice Alaskan sheep, very nice Alaskan fur. Meow. Oh yeah, and I got the stock. I put the stock ones back in. I took the Koreakins off, but I'll explain in another video. Maybe we can go and play around a little bit, you know, see how your stage 1 performs with, you know, maybe just here and there. So he's got the stage 1. He's got the same exhaust that I have. It's the Tab Performance Zombie Baffle BAM sticks. I got the exact same one on my bike, but what he has, as you can see right here, is his filter. He's got the stage 1. ECU is flashed and everything by Mike Pacella from Fleming Island, Indian. He's the man. So if you want to work done on your bike, he's the only man you want to go to. So thanks, Mike. I'm gonna see you Monday, buddy. Actually Tuesday I got an appointment for my stage 1. So I would say let's hop on the bikes and let's go for a ride. Alright, look at these two beautiful bikes. I just love the front end, man. I'm gonna make him switch with me so we can so I can actually feel the difference as well. Maybe he's gonna smoke me. He's supposed to now, right? Stage 1 versus no stage 1. The rest of the setup is the exact same. Alright. Look at this. Look at this badass guy over here. So we are right now in Palm Beach County. If you are from Palm Beach County and you want to go ride with us, you know, hit me up on my Facebook page. It's facebook.com/GDMotovlogs. So you can also message me on Instagram, you know, to get a hold of me. It's instagram.com at GDMotovlog. Look at this badass bike. Oh, I wanted to get the black one first too when I was in the market for this one, but then I saw the white one. I was like, damn. So I just adjusted my clutch lever too. I think I had it too tight. Hey, clutch lever is good. It's much better now. Oh, we just punched it a little bit. Look how sexy his bike looks. Look at this sexy mother. Beep. He looks so nice on his bike. I'm not gay or anything, so I'm just getting excited. We're gonna switch bikes so I can see the difference myself. So what do you get with the stage 1 kit? You're gonna get the filter, the intake, obviously. With the stage 1 there is also a ECU flash involved, which Mike Pacella at Fleming Island, Indiana, he's gonna do that for you. Yeah, let's get the wind buffering out here. I'm gonna erase my windshield. Like I said, if you need any work done, you're gonna go to Mike Pacella, Fleming Island. He's the man when it comes to Indian Challenger, you know, fixings, repair, service, and all of that good stuff. That means I'm gonna be riding like 4 or 5 hours just to get to him, you know, just to get this work done. I could go to a different dealer here, some myself, but there's very few I trust. Okay, we're gonna go make a little U-turn over here. Oh, somebody wants to race us, huh? Invitation. Look at this. Paulie likes to put diesel in his bike. He says that he gets 10 more horsepower out of it. No. They're putting in the good stuff, right? 93, yep.
When you take the Indian logo off, you get 3 more horsepower.
Yeah. So just so you guys know, every Indian decal that you take off gives you about 3 more horsepower. This is new aerodynamics right here. It gives you at least 2.5, right? Look at these.
You want to switch?
Yeah, man. So let's go ahead and switch bike. Look, hey, clutch adjustment much better now, by the way. Much better. I had it a little too tight. I can't wait to sit on that. Meow.
That's nice, man.
Alright, let's do it.
Just don't put the windshield up because of the motor.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna get used to these handlebars, man. Yeah, so just, whoa. But yeah, let me give you mine. We're switching keys. Alright. In case you were wondering what mirrors these are RLNS oval mirrors. I have the same ones on my bike, as you can tell. Alright. Oh yeah, these are a little closer to me, these handlebars. It's got the Kuriakin floorboards, the matching pegs, etc. to it. Yo! Your clutch engaged much earlier than mine. Like mine, I have to release a little. Yeah.
Only about 1,000 miles.
Yeah, no, I like it like yours. I like yours better. Wow. Oh yeah, I can feel the throttle response. It's much. It responds quicker. It responds. Yeah, it's just. Oh yeah, much smoother. Oh hell yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Wow. Fucking awesome, bro. Awesome. Holy shit. Damn. I'm a little speechless right here, man. I mean, I don't know. Like, here's the thing also. That there's a bunch of factors you have in consideration. Every driver is different. Everybody shifts different. Etc. But I can tell that stage 1 kid has really woken the bike up. The throttle response, there's almost no lag. Really fucking nice. Hey, just so you know, the throttle response is so much better. It's like immediate. Okay, so we just pulled over. We talked a little bit. I told him how much more responsive his bike is with the stage 1 tune. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go on a little bit less busy road. He's drinking his vodka over there, and I'm just kidding, he doesn't drink at all. But and then we're gonna do a roll-on test, and then maybe from a complete stop, you know, we're gonna punch it and see. So later we're just gonna go on a road where it's a little bit less busy, and then we're gonna do it. Also, I've just noticed, you know, like immediately when I hopped on the bike, I was like, holy shit, this thing is moving. His clutch is much better adjusted than mine. You know, his engages almost immediately. You know, the clutch starts grabbing and the bike moves forward, while mine, you gotta, the lever is adjusted right, but still, you have to release it a little bit more in order for it to grab, which I don't like. I like the way he had his adjusted. It's much better than I like mine.
My headlight's better than yours.
Why is it?
Oh yeah, it is.
Why?
Wider, brighter, longer.
Oh yeah?
Aaron, you tell me.
Huh?
You tell me.
I didn't pay attention at all. Skier. Wait. Yeah, that was a little shitty start. But yeah, he had me. For sure he had me. You can literally see his bike, how the front jumps up and down from all that fucking power. It was a little shitty start, you know, but you still had me, no matter what.
I was 110 rev limiter.
Yeah, like your bike, when you shift, it fucking goes up and down, like there's so much power, bro. It's ridiculous. But even if you would be even, you would have taken me. At least.
It's not like 100 times faster.
No, but it pulls much stronger.
It's just way more responsive.
And way more responsive, yeah. Let's try it again. Fucking tell that fucking first and second gear he takes me, man. Yeah, man, you can tell. Like, we have everything is the exact same setup besides the stage 1. That's what he has right now with the flash, and you can tell there is a difference. It's not by much, you know, as you could tell. I think it was like a car length maybe, or half a car length, but still, what does that tell me? Stage 1 upgrade. Definitely worth it, and I think we hit it from second gear both. So Paulie and I, we are pretty equal riders. He's got the same riding style that I have, and I have the same riding style that he has. We shift gears pretty much the same way. I don't think the outcome will change when we flip bikes right now. Stage 1 kit will definitely improve your performance. We both have the catalytic converter on the bikes, We both have our Tap Performance BAM sticks with zombie baffles, you know, no Z-rings included, and he's got the stage 1 with the ECU flash, and I don't. And you just saw the outcome. So I'll say let's end the video here. We are coming to an end. I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't done it yet. And I see you guys in the next one. It's your boy G. Ride safe.